But we are not actually, because this is not it, honey. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm coming with that energy today, and today we're gonna be doing a video on what, as you can already see by the title, we're gonna be doing a video on yes, this everyday makeup look. This is not an everyday makeup beat, but it's gonna be something quick, easy, in under 10 minutes that, you know, will give you a little bit of spazam. First things first, wash your face. If you're gonna be doing a little clean, you know, quick makeup look, make sure you at least have a clean face. The things that we're gonna need in this video: blush, highlight, and shadow. And we're also gonna need some face moisturizer. Here is one of the products that I got. It's a primer. It says mask, moisture, and primer in one. This works. Okay, so let's see how it feels. I just moisturized my face with this. I just washed my face with this, and I look really okay, there we go. So I just washed my face with that, and I really like this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this moisturizing mask primer on my face, and right away, ooh, that feel good and it smell good. I feel like I got some type of peppermint. I don't even like mint, but it feels like it's like some type of, you know how tea tree oil gives you that kind of refreshing feel? That's what it felt like. I'm gonna get your blush out, guys. Get your blush out. This is my blush. I got this from Big Lots, and it's supposed to be an eyeshadow makeup palette, but I guess it's on the side. The big one's on the side. You use this for blush, so that's exactly what I use it for, blush. This is my favorite blush brush. And you know what, I actually got this from my friend Shay, and like she gave it to me because this is like years and years ago when I just like wanted to start doing my makeup, and so I would be like asking her like, can I, and I didn't know it was a thing, like when you use other people's makeup brushes, like, why you want to use my makeup brush? I don't want you to use my makeup brush. So I didn't know that was like a thing. I was just like, can I use your makeup brush to do this? And And she was like, here, just have this one. So thanks, Shay, for letting me have this makeup brush, because literally I've had it. It's gone with me everywhere. And this is what I normally use for my blush. And I just started doing blush not too long ago. And since I'm doing like a kind of a natural, everyday, quick makeup look, I wouldn't say I'm doing a lot of blush, but I'm doing a good amount because I just think it's cute. Now, if I feel like I have too much on, I'll just like, you know, wipe away a little bit, put some more back on. All right, now I'm gonna go on with my highlight. But you know what? I'm not gonna show you guys my highlight, but I'm gonna show you guys my highlight. But that's good reason. This is what it looks like. So that's some powder highlight, and it's really golden, and I really love it. You know, just to give you some oh, and I can see my reflection. Oh, and I can see my reflection in my computer, and that highlight is like, yes, honey, you better highlight that thing. Okay. All right, so now that I have that highlight finished, I'm gonna go ahead and get out my Nikita makeup palette. up? The reason why I just like using this palette is because it has so many options. But since we're doing like kind of a quick, easy, everyday natural look, I'm gonna go ahead and do a natural look. I'm gonna go on with this Prima Donna. You guys already know. Going with the brown. I just love browns on me. That's my go-to color is brown. So this is just what I like to do. My go-to color has always been brown and gold. But we're not doing gold today because I kind of fell away from gold a little bit. But a brown is always stuck by me. You feel me? And I'm just going over, you know, not really into the eyelid, maybe a little bit on the corner, but just over the top. That finished, I am going to, so we're gonna go on with a darker brown. We're gonna use our brownies, and this is what our Revolution palette, this is what the palette looks like. And we're gonna go in with brownies, and we're just gonna take that right into our crease. And we're just gonna go in an inwards motion like this. Instead of like outwards like this, we're just gonna go in. You can go out a little bit, but just bring it back in, okay? And just one more time. And should be looking something like that. So now we're gonna go ahead and take our blending brush. Okay, and now we're gonna just go ahead and blend that up into the top of our eye. Okay, now that we've blended it, we're gonna go ahead, we're not gonna use any concealer because again, this is like a quick, easy, something that you can do real quick. Once you get the hang of it, you're gonna be like doop, 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 and boom. And you can be done with this in 5 minutes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take, what is this? Shapeshifter. This light color right here, and I'm just gonna put this on my eyelid. I'm gonna put this towards the edge actually because I want to use a lighter color because I cannot really tell that it's kind of like nude on my skin, so it's not really making a difference like how I want it to. But it's like I want it to be nude, but then again I want it to be a little light. So I'm gonna use Nicholas. Alright, and that went a little bit into our crease, but we can easily fix that because I really don't want that in my crease. Now, last but not least, you can do this if you want or not. It's up to you. I'm gonna take a little bit of gold, and this isn't even like a, yeah, we're gonna use the bright gold today. So we're gonna use Escort. And I'm gonna just place it right here. And it may not show in this lighting, but I'm pretty sure it will outside. All right, I need to get another one of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips, you guys. Y'all know I don't do nothing without a lip liner. I'm gonna go ahead and take my pink Morphe, and this is attention. Okay, I'm gonna take this attention, and I'm gonna put this all over my lips. And it is pink because when I use this, it may look a little clear, but when I use it without highlight, without liner, I can really see the pink. I can see the pink now. And then we're going to go ahead and put some lip gloss on top of that, just to give us a little bit more shine. Cause me, I love a good shine. And this lip will be perfect for when we are out of quarantine. We don't gotta wear masks no more. Final touches, we're going to go ahead and just dab a little bit more blush on those cheekbones. And then we're gonna take our angle brush that we use for our bronzer. And we're not gonna use a lot of bronzer, guys. Today's not a lot of bronzer day. And that's it. Please don't ever leave the house without brushing your eyebrows. And if you've made it this far into the video, yes, that is exactly what's new on my face, is these brows. Yeah, I got my brows threaded the other day, and she did a perfect job. She always does good. I need to get my eyebrows done more often, because when I do makeup looks, I know those looks be beat with my brows done. Let's just go ahead and do a little bit of baby hair. I use Got to Be Glued and a brush. This is the Ultra Glued Invisible Styling Gel. We are not putting this on our hair. We're just gonna, brush a little bit of baby hair down. We're not even gonna do the extravagant baby hairs that I normally have. And I'm gonna put a little bit on my finger, about that much. Just go ahead and do it like that. Same thing for the other side. Now my baby hairs are much different on the other side, on this side, than they are. I guess because my hairline might be a little different, but it's okay. But y'all get the gist. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys can see a difference. Let's try to do it like a beginning and the end. I normally do, my whole little But since it's not, you know, a beat face, we're just going out to, you know, run some errands. Or, you know, if you want to look pretty going to work. Even though you look pretty without your makeup. But sometimes you just gotta get yourself up. Get yourself in the mood. You look good, you feel good. Simple and easy. You don't even gotta do a beat face. This look takes less than 10 minutes. I just took a little bit longer because I'm doing a YouTube video and I'm chatting it up, you know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this natural 10-minute look. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend. Tell a friend. It's not even a look, but it's like a... Do you have makeup on? See you in the next video.
What is this?